We're gonna try these amazing Punjabi style lamb or mutton meatballs.
Yummers!
So these are red split lentils that have been soaked for a bit, just for about an hour, and we're just gonna remove the water. And now we're just gonna dry them. This way, when they get mixed into the lamb, that water doesn't get released.
Going all healthy on us.
We have minced lamb or mutton, and now we're gonna add all our spices, our masalas. Here we have a little bit of turmeric, jeera or cumin powder.
Showing off his Hindi.
Some garam masala, paprika. Now you can also use some Kashmiri mirch. I didn't have any. And a little bit of namak or salt.
Namak.
Now just take a look at that. All your spices.
Ooh, we're back in India.
And now your soaked split red lentils right in. Some ginger garlic paste. So I do my own. This is just chopped ginger. Add it into my garlic masher and scrape off the excess. Now some garlic, same thing. So if you had ginger garlic paste, you would actually just put probably a teaspoon. Okay, now use your hands. Okay, so now we'll make our meatballs. Now these babies will get shallow fried, cooked in ghee to create a beautiful crust. We have our ghee, which is clarified butter. And now we're gonna fry up our meatballs. Meatballs go right in.
Sound of music.
You just wanna create beautiful crust. Look at that. Look at that crust. Now, I'm gonna flip this over. Ooh, look at that, kids. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just make sure that both sides are nice and crisp. Take a look at these.
I want it.
Little tricky little guys. And that's it. Now a little bit of salt right after they come out of the fryer. Boom. Let them cool down, and then we're gonna try these amazing Punjabi style lamb or mutton meatballs. Ooh, fancy camera work, Emma. Yes, that's my daughter. Emma, good job, good job.
Child labor.
She gets paid in meatballs. So I think she wants to do a good job because these look so good, and now I get to try it. Okay. Nice. Crispy on the outside. Beautiful. These just transport me back to Amritsar.
Okay, can I go to Amritsar too?
How was it, Ems?
It was good.
Yeah, how would you like about it?
The crunchiness,
Yeah, crunchiness was good.
the flavor.
Flavor, yeah.
The
Loads of flavor.
spices.
Yeah, the spices. Too spicy? Yeah. Okay, so you're a fan of the Punjabi meatballs.
Can I have one more?
No, Ems.
No, I gave you at least 1.5 meatballs of work.
You did.
So, come on, come on.
Okay, go for it.
Really?
Yeah. Go.